Here is the question. According to question, we draw the graph. Question number 16. First draw Z Y plane. You see the plane, and now the cylinder. Cylinder is, this is a cylinder, x square plus y square equals to 3. So this length will be root 3. This length will be root 3. Now there is this, the cylinder will be like this. This will go up. Now we have a plane y plus 2z equals to 2. Putting z equals to 0, we have y equals to 2. This means that here will be the point. This will be 2. This length will be 2. Now we can find another point. Putting y equals to 0, z will be 1. So 1 will be inside. 1 will be on z axis here. Here this length is 1. Now since these 2 points lie on this plane, so here we can draw the plane. This looks a straight line to you, but in 3 dimensions this is a plane, and this is y plus 2z equals to 2. Now we have to find the intersection of this plane and this cylinder, which will be a circle. This circle. We have to find the area of this surface. You see that projection of this area, suppose this area is S. So projection of this area on this y-x plane is this circle. So S cos theta will be equals to area of this circle, x square plus y square equals to 3. So this will be pi r square. R square is 3, so 3 pi. Now we have to find cos theta. See here, theta is this angle. This angle is theta. So tan theta will be 1 by this 2. Tan theta is 1 by 2. So from here we can find cos theta. Cos theta will be 2 by root 5. So 3 pi. Hence S will be 3 root 5 pi. 3 root 5 pi by 2. And this option you see, is in A here. So A is our correct option.